what's up, KIMAEA? Back in a video with another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just nations in general. So for today we're going to be reacting to the 4K Freestyle Live.
So it was put together by, these are the sponsors of it. Brown and Bazit, Rubik's Media, Trojan Productions, Baby Cakes, Bacon Grays and 4-3. And it was presented by Pacific Wave Radio.
Yeah.
It's just a chance for artists out there to gain a platform where they can showcase their talent and hopefully get a head start in their rapping, especially up there in Brisbane. Hence why it's called 4K Freestyle.
And there is a prize at the end. From what I remember, it's a K in cash. They get studio time.
Airtime on Pacific
radio.
Wave Radio. Yeah.
I think there's something else, but yeah, shout out to the sponsors and everyone that came together to do this for the 4K. Just up and coming artists and stuff like that. This is a mad competition.
Yeah,
I mean, man, people in Brisbane are just boom up
loyal.
there.
Yeah, helping one another.
100%, man. I love events like this. Really, giving people an opportunity and stuff like that.
Imagine the nerves these boys will be going through.
Yeah.
Because a lot of the, I don't know, I'm just guessing, assuming that a lot of you young ones who aspire to be rappers and singers and that, when you're starting at first space and you're only singing or rapping on a phone or in your own comfort zone, so imagine them singing or rapping out there with people all looking at you and being judged. So
yeah, we'll just be skipping. We know that there's going to be artists performing along the way, so just to keep this reaction short, we're just going to be skipping to the contestants, see what they're all about.
Yeah, I mean, we're watching the whole thing, but just editing, we'll just be going straight to we'll go straight to the
contestants.
To the boys, the contestants.
Yeah. So yeah, keen to check it out.
Yeah.
Let's go.
See you soon.
Hey, what's good, everybody? My name is Noka. I'll be your host for this evening. Welcome to the 4K Freestyle Final.
Make some
motherfucking noise in this. Look, sweet. So we're gonna start the final now. And what's gonna happen? So the final 5, they've already been given a beat earlier this week by DJ Rekka. Make some noise for DJ Rekka one time.
Hey, shout out DJ Rekka.
They've already been given a beat and they've already pre-written their verses, so they all got a minute to come up and rock their shit. And don't forget, there's $1,000 studio time and some other stuff online. So boys, make sure you come and bring it.
For these boys, a minute's gonna
you can only give it to one person. First, we got my also High Key coming up to kill it. Make some noise, man.
Come on, High Key. Who's this?
So where you from, bro? Where you from?
Hey, this guy.
I'm originally Mansfield 4122.
Hell yeah, man.
Love the
Make
confidence.
some noise for Mansfield 4122. Yeah, let's go.
I see
you got 1 minute. Rock this shit. DJ, what you ready?
Love his confidence.
Hey yo, we on some boom bap shit tonight, baby.
Hey.
4K all day. Hey, High Key. Morning meditation, forming revelations. My woman woke me at 4 AM for some fornicating. Record with the fresh drawn from the basement. I think I'm getting that today was a good day feel. Although I know there's rent I gotta pay still, and all of those stank bills holding up my bank's bills, saving stay still. But we keeping on the grind, face full of green, but I don't mean money or marijuana. We kick it harder than Alicia Heed Muhammad. I've been catching so much second-hand smoke, could start a flea market. Been starting waves no high, watching stages flow by, and I don't mind. Write some dope lines to reflect on my own life. No time to co-sign, can't be attached to that kind of rope tie. I don't bother living by oaths of others. I speak in code and stutter my flow that I discovered.
Oh, fuck.
Right,
Okay.
Well, fornicating.
Man,
nice.
sit
the
bar.
Wow.
Seki, so what I forgot to say.
Confident though, eh?
Next up we got my also the Dylan and our fellow coming on the stage. Make some noise, man, make some noise.
Hey.
Who?
Do your thing also. Where you from also?
I'm from Goodnow, 4300.
Hey, make some noise for good now.
Hey, let's go.
Let's go, rock your shitters.
Hey, boy.
He looks awkward too.
Nervous.
Yeah.
It's the crooked-eyed big killer, liquor a spiller, he on my grind to get my motor over. And like these other guys, I'm still here when I'm sober. It's over, I'm a different creature. You can get slapped like I'm trying to win a feature. I'll beat ya, so this is the last chance. I'm trying to be a better man before the day the Lord lands. Hey, oh fuck, bro.
Correct.
Yo, can we get him back? Go again, run it again, run it again.
Hey, run that back, run that back.
Oh, it's nice to giving him a second chance.
Hey, look, Uso, we're gonna run that back. I know it's hard. We won't move on and we'll give the Uso.
I would be nervous, all these artists looking at me.
But next up, we got MC Ralph coming up to rock this shit. Wait, MC Ralph first, bro.
Oh, good on you though.
At least you tried.
Yeah,
I
100%.
think he comes back on.
Yeah.
What's up, boss? Where you from, Uso?
Marsden, M City.
Oh, that looks young. Oh, Marsden.
It's gonna make these guys more nervous.
No, harder.
Hey, brother Rob.
Yeah, you.
Hey. Shout out Tipsy. Yeah. Hey, see round 3 be more of a phase of how I showcase my bars being sharper than blades. But then my thoughts keep it moving when it comes to the day. How I'm supposed to get my pay when these boys in my way. Well, I guess I gotta pull up like an Uber, diving like a scuba, show them how I do really maneuver. Cause I'm staying high like comets, but still sick like Sonic. I don't...
Oh, silly. His voice cracked there and he was trying to catch
Hey,
it.
run that back, run that back, run that back.
No,
We're gonna give everyone a second go. Are you alright with that, Daniels?
Ready now?
Okay, yo.
You ready?
Oh, love it.
Take a deep breath, bar, and do your thing.
Yeah. Hey, see round 3 be more of a phase of how I showcase my bars being sharper than blades. But then my thoughts keep it moving when it comes to the day. How I'm supposed to get my pay when these boys are my way. Well, I guess I gotta pull up like an Uber, diving like a scuba, show them how I do really maneuver. Cause I'm staying high like comets, but still sick like vomit. I got them trips like tonic and I be quick like Sonic. And that's it, cause I don't really knock out much. It's not... But I really packed a punch and it's time for war.
He didn't practice his breathing, so
but my kids go thriller than yours, so just forfeit. I ain't not the one to go to war with. As soon as you like, I raise a bar like a forklift. I'm all in, even if you got it. I'm not born to lose because I'm dying to win. Hey.
Good on you,
It's not
bro.
easy. It can't be easy.
Yeah. I know the feelings of being on that stage, man, and oh.
I know the feelings too.
Yeah, it's different from being in your room and practicing and doing all this.
I'm thinking Lokamiki.
It's one thing to make videos online.
Nerve-wracking.
It's another to perform, true. And I much respect to the boys here because some of them haven't performed before.
Yeah, in front of
This is
people.
mad to see you guys and bro, it's a start. You know what I mean? This is really where these what the somebody's want to do this because it's tough. But you guys are killing it so far. Next up we got my also MV coming up to rock. Where you from, also? Where you from? Tell them.
D-Bay 44.
Do you think
Yeah.
also DJ?
He's all nice.
Deception.
Hey.
Hey. Shit, to tell the truth, I've been chillin' with it. Old school like a coupe with the windows tinted. It's been a mission, but brother, just bear with me. No others can scare rappers like Eminem scared Diddy. But give me a 54 bag and see me do it, throw them overhoes. I've been on that cold vibe and folding clothes, man. And folding rappers is the goal, but how I'm supposed to kill these artists when they diss and go and ghost? You think I'm missing? Hold the scope. I close my eyes on free fire to bring it back and blow the smoke. The flow is cold, but you should know that it gets colder. Hit a north side on North Pole. Shit, how far did the North go? So far, I caught the top of the world, the North Coast. So from the south to the north, I keep that zone froze. And I don't know if MB had made that comeback. This is fun rap, and I ain't even having fun yet. I'm just trying to bag my chips and make it dumb raps. Until that one stat.
Nice.
You got it.
Man, you did really good.
It's good if the judges, you know, be lenient towards that, eh? It's their first time out there. It's not
You sort of remind me of Stanley T for some reason.
We got my also
Eminem.
41 coming up to
Yeah, that type of flow. He was talking about some American rappers.
Day, do you think also? DJ, where's your
Oh, looking hips, man. Looking fresh. Hey, AP.
It's time to finish what we started. Hey, Hey, I'm bringing it back for Logan City, put that shit on my back. I treat my lyrics like my punches, you can feel them connect. As a matter of fact, my boys hit me up and said, you want to bet? I said, fucking oath, go and get me 4 body bags. I'm gonna murder them. No, it's not for clout. Treat these bitches like a pussy, I'll be cleaning them out. Said it's simple, keep it on my mind, it's indivisible. You know that I'm about to come through and I'm just spitting truth. Hey, so you know that I'm about to spit it. You know I'm just spitting this freestyle, it ain't written. You know I never been in fucking pussy like you're kidding, but you know that I'm about to come and get it. Fuck it, you know that I'm about to score a bucket. You know that I'm about to come through. You get ready for fuck. Better go plug it, better talk.
Oh, I thought that was part of the rap.
Hey, brother, man, I'm bringing this shit to Logan. Hey, please.
Damn, that first guy really set the vibe. She
must be used to it.
Yeah, he seems like he's used to busking or something like that. Yeah, he seems like a busker.
Make some noise for the top 5 one time.
Maybe that's what they should do.
Yeah, busking.
Go out and
so what we're gonna
just
do
get
now,
the confidence.
It's not over for the boys. So what
It's
we're
not going to be easy.
Is Civic Wave is going to give them a beat. So DJ Records made a beat earlier this week. And we're going to give them a beat, and they got half an hour to write a 1 minute verse and come up and perform it. So this is, so if you didn't do,
that's
a test out if the lyricists
the first one, this is where you make your money. So
if it's natural.
So apparently there was the live got shut down. Due to copyright music.
Yeah.
So
damn copyright.
Yeah, Facebook. So now they're back up and running.
This is gonna be the one. Whoever kills this one is gonna get the bag. So
who do you think?
Shout out to all the contestants. You ready to rock your shit? And first up we got High Key. Also come up and do your thing, bro. Make some noise.
High Key, I feel like could really take it up, but we'll see how this round goes. But if he does well this round, then I feel like he's got it overall. Yeah.
Let's get it.
Also, they have to remember in their heads before.
I've had that 20/20 vision, like I fly a plane with the finest flight attendant in the cockpit, mind your business, my life at stake. I've had that 20/20 vision, like I fly a plane with the finest flight attendant in the cockpit, mind your business, my life at stake. Hey, say your name, High Key, new to this game, but this flow is insane. Wait, flame with brain? Cooking up sauce, I'll leave your mind stain. Always the truth despite what I say. Real bars make you feel hard, but make you wanna rub the grandma. Trying to keep my head above water, found myself a stand. Barbara I stand toward us my stage. Like an 8-year-old, what you playing for? You ain't made for all this fame. With auto-tune, knowing damn well you can't sing. With a cat gun and a ski mask, knowing damn well you don't bang. You're a fake, for God's sake. I've had that 20/20 vision since 1998. Never had no pot to piss in, now I'm Henny sipping, grinding for the K. I've had that 20/20 vision, like I fly a plane with the finest flight attendant in the cockpit, major business, my life at stake. Hey.
That was smart.
Hey, make some noise for High Key one time.
Like he.
But wow.
I thought you would.
He remembered all that.
Yeah. I thought you would have to
passion.
Not repeat certain things, but.
Damn.
Still missing a contestant.
Oh, did
come
he
on,
go
bro, you can do it.
Next we got Michael performing for the 1000. We just wait on him. So pretty much for this one, we're gonna give them an opportunity. Michael's here. No, we're gonna give them an opportunity to have their phone as well, just because they've only had a half an hour verse.
Oh, it won't be fair now because the first
Is he coming or else? Come over and rock this shit, bro. Make some noise for MV one time.
It's not easy.
Fucking Apples, do your thing. And if you stumble, we'll give everyone a second shot for this one, okay?
No, it's not fair.
You call the DJ, bro. You call the DJ. Yeah.
Canela shot.
Run it back. Sorry,
Run it back, please. Hey.
Fucked up in that last one, but that's tough luck and that hurt. But I won't get down when I pick it up, and I use my back like I'm holding a hearse, and I ain't rehearsed. All I aim for is verses of virgin to certain outcomes of who's the best in my set, and I swear I'll fucking announce them. But I swear it's time to announce it. And V ain't got no clout, but the thing I want is about. So help me God, I never gave a fuck about outcome, and I never gave a fuck about how I sound or how I found my words are like a bastard hound. I go toe to toe, but a pound for pound, and how does hell keep a rapper down? It'll never keep me down, brother. That's it.
Ooh.
Hey, make some noise,
Yeah. I think it's a good thing because he didn't repeat and he His flow was really good despite, you know, what he wrote in.
To be fair, the first guy should have had the fame too. At least he wouldn't have.
MCD Ryan, you ready also? You ready to rock
Repeated
it?
his verse.
I'm gonna make some noise, man. Make some noise for MCD Ryan.
And he remembered all that without the fame.
Hey, on the rock.
So this is number
Hey,
4.
run it back, DJ. Run it back, please. Take your time, Moose. Hey. First off, I gotta give props to the rest of them. Hey, see, y'all be better than all of them boys, but they hyped up like adrenaline. But 4K with the best at. Stay high and fly like a jetpack, and we all make bank. But surely you know that we don't work in no Westpac, ain't no flex ladder. I got a reason to do this, not for the money or the music. That street life being pretty useless, trying to figure out the mess like a Rubik Cube when I use it. No need to abuse it, just pop your top with no juices. Swift like ninjas, but no mutant. Come get with the movement, cause we moving. Intrusive the way I step on the scene, and I'm not in no uniform, but when I say hands up, well them boys just freeze. They ain't got this steez, they ain't on no jobs like Steve. They wanna talk about how they can't cope, but them boys always on their seat. Hey, make some noise for MCD Raw one time.
Not bad, not bad.
It's the Corona.
Yo.
Let's go.
Oh, the confidence. Let's go.
Check. Man, I'm on the south side, but I bang that west. Come chit chat, that don't make sense. Never ever been the one to ever get pressed, but I tell her that I don't really swell like F, so they making a mess. Soon as I step on there, 41 LC, 4 deep in the back, run it up on the track, hold it down, living no allergy, AN to the depth. Never switch up, man, I came at a drink. Never wanna talk about the shank of a shift, let's talk more walk. Every time that I spit AB, bout work, AB, put it in 4-1, 4-3, my boys in the switch. Never switch up when I talk my shit. Not HP boys, but I get to the bag. If you can't smell beef, then your bag gets slipped. That's west side biz. Got a side piece on my hip, cool pep. If your boys can't trip, 1, 2, to slip. Fully loaded, better focus, I'll double it up like nip. All my brothers on the right from wrong, but for my brothers I know they gone right. Hold it down for the set when I slip on side. When I see on my side, I'll tell ya.
Hey,
make some noise for AB.
He didn't even need his phone.
yeah. And he didn't. And he didn't repeat his bars.
Yeah.
Hey, make some noise for all 5 contestants that came tonight. Make some noise, please.
Let's go. Who do you think is gonna win, Mama B?
I reckon AP and
Yeah, for me it's either out of AP or
High Key.
High Key. But I feel like High Key on the second round sort of got away with it, sort of thing, because he repeated his things. But I feel like
But he didn't have his phone.
yeah. But I feel like same with AP.
Yeah.
I feel like his bars were more stronger because he didn't repeat anything and his flow was a lot more faster
and more intense. And he just kept on going.
Yeah.
It's
and he
amazing.
only stuffed up a little bit the first
Yeah.
time. So that's
I reckon,
cool.
AP.
AP, I feel like AP for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm impressed with
Oh, he came up in 30 minutes?
impressed with all of them.
Yeah. And it was really fun. Oh man. I feel like AP's got this one, but
I feel like his lyrics are like he's had them before, but he's just incorporated it. Yeah, why he's so confident without them.
Yeah. And it's a typical type of beat. Like if they had it switched up a bit, like the bass was different or something like that, then yeah. True, that could be. Oh, fuck, what an investigator, man. Oh, that could be the case too.
For the gator.
Oh, well. So yeah, well, can't wait to see who the winners are. Who's your bet on, Mum? Could be anyone, but AP. AP for me.
I reckon AP.
Yeah.
Sweet, so in this envelope, we have whoever's having a fucking mad dinner tonight.
Oh.
Can I have a loan for this fucking $1,000 or what? Okay, so the winner of the prize is my also High Key. Make some noise for High Key, please.
Shout out Pacific Wave, shout out 4K Freestyle, all the judges, everybody involved. Shout out all of the people I had to compete against who made it fucking challenging to do so. Yeah, I can't wait to spend this on making more music and making some hits, hitting 4-3 space, and yeah, hopefully we're working with a bunch of different people here. So yeah, thank you everybody.
Make some noise for High Key one time. Shuttles up.
Whew, man, what a live, man. We had some awesome performances. Shout out to all the performers from the LC to Lisi and Say True God. just all the boys. Yeah, we heard some songs for the first time, so if we don't react to certain songs, it's because we've heard it on this live. And
shout out to Knox.
Yeah,
for
Knox
DJ.
for being MC.
Shout out to Knox for the host for the night, MC. And again, massive shout out to Pacific Wave. It's KIMAEA and PELE.
Yep.
We have their socials here. This all came about the tragedy that happened here in Melbourne with
Solomone.
Yeah. So well done.
Yeah, and it's awesome how, you know, despite them being in a different state, they came up with the idea to prevent anything happening in Brisbane. They came together, just with, you know, our lockdown and stuff like that, it does make it hard for things to happen here in Melbourne, you know, in terms of our youth and stuff like that. But shout out to Brisbane, shout out especially to KIMAEA for really just bringing up this idea. And you know what, this could be like a TV show or something, like how they have The Voice or something. This is mad. This is a mad idea.
Had to be a lot of work that went into this.
Yeah, 100%.
Because she was doing it weekly, judging with the boys from 4-3 and morning. 100%. It had to be every week where they'd get together and Congratulations to Heike and well done to the other contestants.
All the contestants.
Yeah, you guys did well. Yeah. Something that we couldn't do.
Yeah, 100%.
So big ups to you boys.
Yeah. And ma to us for thinking that AP was gonna win.
Check them out on Freestyle. I'm sure it's still on Facebook. Follow 4K Freestyle on Pacific Wave Radio, and they've got the videos up there. I'm sure they've still got the live up there. Check it out, fams.
But yeah, we are a bit knackered at the moment, so we're probably gonna be blabbering on and stuff like this. But honestly, we're not gonna say too much. Just shout out to everyone behind the scenes. Shout out to the artists that made, you know, just performed. I loved hearing some of the new songs that we haven't heard before, and you know, hearing some jams that we did here, but you guys wouldn't have seen it because we did skip to the most important part of the live.
We will skip. Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed our reaction to this, to the live. Can't wait to hear the brother Heike drop his tracks and stuff like that, and hopefully hear from the other brothers and sisters that did contest with their new tracks dropping too. But yeah, other than that, we're gonna go and have a nap. Much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video.